Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Yuchanan, John, Chapter 7. After these things, Yehoshua walked in Galilee, for he would not walk in Yehudah, because the Yehudim sought to kill him. Now it was near the feast of the Yehudim, called Sukkot. Therefore one of his brothers said to him, "Depart from here and go into Yehudah, so that your Talmudim will see the works that you do. For he who seeks to be known openly does nothing in secret. If you do these things, show yourself to the world." Because even his brothers did not believe him. However, Yehoshua said to them, "My time has not come yet, but your time is always ready. The world cannot hate you, but it hates me, because I bear witness of it, that its works are evil. You can go up to the feast. I will not go up to the feast yet, for my time is not yet fulfilled." When he had said these words to them, he stayed in Galilee. However, when his brothers had gone up, then he went up to the feast also, not openly, but in secret. Furthermore, the Yehudim sought him at the feast and said, "Where is he?" Also, there was a lot of murmuring among the people concerning him. For some said, "He is a good man." Others said, "No, but he deceives the people." However, no man spoke about him openly, for fear of the Yehudim. Now, around the middle of the feast, Yehoshua went up into the temple and taught. And the Yehudim marveled, saying, "How does he know these writings, having never learned?" Yehoshua answered them and said, "My doctrine is not mine, but his who sent me. If any man does his will, he will recognize the doctrine, whether it is of all, or I speak of myself. He who speaks of himself seeks his own glory, but he who seeks glory for the one who sends him, the same is true, but no unrighteousness is in him. Did Moshe not give you the teaching, yet none of you keep the teaching? Why do you go about to kill me?" The people answered and said, "You have a demon. Who goes about to kill you?" Yehoshua answered and said to them, "I have done one work, and you all marvel. However, Moshe gave you circumcision for you to circumcise, not because it is a word from Moshe, but from the fathers. Yet on the day of Shabbat you will circumcise a man. If a man can receive circumcision on the day of Shabbat, isn't the Torah of Moshe broken? Why are you angry with me, because I heal everyone on the Shabbat? Do not judge according to appearance, but judge righteously." Then some of them of Yerushalayim said, "Is this not him whom they seek to kill? But look, he speaks boldly, yet they say nothing to him. Do the rulers know that this truly is the Mashiach? However, we know this man, where he is from. But when the Mashiach comes, no one knows where he is from." Then Yehoshua cried in the temple as he taught, saying, "You both know me, and you know where I am from. However, I have not come of myself, but he who sent me is true, whom you do not know, but I know him, for I am from him, and he has sent me." Then they sought to take him, but no man laid hands upon him, because his hour had not come yet. And many of the people believed in him and said, "When the Mashiach comes, he cannot do more miracles than these that he has done." The Perushim heard that the people murmured such things concerning him. Therefore the Perushim and the chief priests sent officers to take him. Then Yehoshua said to them, "I will be with you for a little while. Then I will go to him whom sent me. You will seek me, but not find, and where I am, you cannot come. So the Yehudim said among themselves, Where will he go that we cannot find him? Will he go to the dispersed among the Gentiles and teach the Gentiles? What word is this that he said, You will seek me, but not find, and where I am, you cannot come? During the last day of the great feast, Yahushua stood and cried, saying, If any man thirst, let him come to me and drink, him whom believes in me. Just like the scriptures say, out of his belly rivers of living water will flow. But he spoke this concerning the Ruach Kodesh, which those who believe in him will receive. For the Ruach Kodesh was not yet, because Yahushua was not glorified yet. Therefore, when many of the people heard this word, they said, Truly, this is that prophet. Others said, This is the Mashiach. But some asked, Will the Mashiach come out of Galilee? Does the scriptures not say that the Mashiach comes from the seed of David and out of the town of Beit-Lechem, where David was from? So there was a division among the people because of him, and some of them would have taken him, but laid no hands on him. Then the officers came to the chief priests and Perushim, and they said to them, Why have you not brought him? The officers answered, A man has never spoken like this man. Then the Perushim responded to them, Are you deceived also? Have any of the rulers or Perushim believed in him? But these people who do not know the Torah are cursed. Nakedemun, who had come to Yahushua by night, said to them, Does our Torah judge a man before it hears him, and knows what he does? They responded and asked him, Are you a Galilee also? Search and look, for no prophet arises out of Galilee. Then everyone went to his own house.